Hey, good morning everyone. Today's video is how to make that device so you can help your bird from plucking themselves. So here it goes. This is a Deer Park 16.9 ounce water bottle. Number one, you gotta have a blade or some sort of surgical device. I'm using this. As you can see, there's a line here. Stick your little thing here and cut it out. That's it. Now this the sharp edges around here, you could either use a lighter to make it a little bit smoother, or you could wrap tapes around. Now the portion for the neck, you got to make sure what size of the neck for the bird is. So I'm just going to do an example. So I'm going to do it right here. Got to have a very steady hand. Okay, let's go again. And you may not succeed on your first attempt, so you may have to make several attempts. But it isn't very difficult. It is very cheap. You can make it at home. Or if you poke a hole, you could probably use a scissor. Actually, Deer Park bottles, they're a little tougher compared to other water bottles that I've used. If you use the generic brands, those are a little bit softer. So I guess it depends on what type of bird you have and the size of the bird. That's it. This is the device. Very simple to make. I'm not able to find my tape I was looking for. So what do you guys think of the video? That's it. Then you just put the head through here. That'll be a bird's head. And they will not be able to pluck their own feather. Like or dislike, I don't care. Do something. Thank you. Stay safe. Put on your mask.